just had to get this light. Look how gorgeous that looks. Doesn't that just look divine? Amazing. Wow. Nature in all its glory. Sure. Hey, welcome to another episode of 365 Minutes on Confidence. As you can see, it's a beautiful sunset. Just look at that. How magnificent is that? Just so magnificent. A lot of wind, but wow, can you just appreciate the sheer beauty of that skyline? Wow. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Abigail and I'm a confidence crusader on a mission to help women elevate their confidence, and I do that through these daily videos, through my specialist women's portrait photography, and through my online conscious confidence course. And today is day 92 of 365. So let's take a look at the thought of the day. Oh, I lied, it's day 91. Got that one wrong. The thought of the day reads, even the smallest step in the right direction of a big goal can inch up your confidence. I don't know about you, but oftentimes I'll set myself a goal, or I'll have an idea of something that I want to achieve and just get completely overwhelmed with the extent, like the task at hand, the amount of work that needs to get done in order for this goal to be achieved. What I'm learning, what I'm teaching, is the power of small daily actions, small steps to achieving the goal that you desire. I just have to show you this. And my mum recently got a new camera, and so now she's trying to get this gorgeous sunset. But what she's not realizing, these power lines over here are totally going to ruin her shot. Shame. So I need to go and show her. Look where she is. She's all the way over there trying to get the vantage point, but she's going to get those power lines in, so I've got to go tell her. Let's do that quickly. You should rather go that way because you've got power lines in your shot. You need to go under the power lines. Yeah, you've got to go that side of them. She's so cute. Just look how gorgeous it is. What a display. So beautiful. Wow. Yeah, so the power of the small daily actions. Small daily actions. Not big daily actions, small daily actions. If you're aiming for big daily actions, the likelihood is that all you're doing is inviting procrastination, overwhelm, anxiety, and disbelief in your ability to achieve your goals. So you have to aim for the small daily actions, because then you're able to tick them off. You can say to yourself, I'm going to achieve this one thing towards my big goal today. Just one small thing towards your goal. And that means you're going to be more likely to get it done. And when you do that often enough, eventually you will get to that point where the goal is done. It is achieved. It is complete. You can tick it off. But it's the small daily actions on a consistent basis that make all the difference. So ask yourself every day, what is the one small thing I'm doing today that's getting me a step closer to the end result I'm desiring, the end result I'm after? And you'll find that if you give yourself that premise to work by, so not good for a hair day, if you work towards that premise of doing one small step towards your goal, you stand a better chance of getting that goal achieved. The secret, though, is being patient with yourself, being like taking the long, slow route as opposed to trying to do the fast, quick one. I have to tell myself, remind myself of this constantly. Slow and steady wins the race. We were walking around this beautiful estate and I kept seeing signs all over the place for tortoises and bunny rabbits. And it's the tortoise that wins the race, not the bunny rabbit. As fantastic as the bunny rabbit looks, and as fantastic and exciting and impressive as the bunny rabbit's approach is, it's actually the tortoise that wins the race. If you're being slow and steady, what you're also giving yourself is the time to reflect and check in and ensure that the path that you're on is actually the path you want to be on, instead of just going at 100 miles an hour, not realizing that you should have taken the 10 turnoffs back. So slow and steady, one small step at a time, as long as it's in the right direction, and keep checking in with yourself that it is in the right direction that you want to be in. Then you know you're going to achieve your goal, and you achieve it with confidence. And it's about the journey of getting there. It's all the growth and the changes that happen in you on the way. It's not about what you will become once you achieve the goal, it's who you become along the way. Your transformation happens on the road, not at the end, at the finish line. Ooh, this wind is fantastic. So yes, that's my thought for the day. Day 91. Day 91 or 92? I'm so confused. Let's just double check this. Today's day 91. Yesterday was day number 90. Day 91. It's official. Day 91. Day 91 of 2018. This is actually April 1st. So we are officially into the second quarter of the year. How far are you to achieving your goals for 2018? By the months of the year, by this reckoning, you should be 1/4 of the way there. Are you there? Are you checking in with your goals? Are you on track? Have you already realized that what you set out at the beginning of the year is something that you don't necessarily actually need to continue on? I've had a couple of those, I have to be honest. I'm questioning some of the things that I set for the beginning of the year. Today, April 1st, is the opportunity for you to check in with yourself. Are you still on the right road, or should you have taken off an off-ramp and started down a new road towards a goal that is more aligned? Only you can answer that for yourself. So I want to leave you with that. Check in with yourself if you are on the road you want to be on. Only you know the answer to that. And whatever you decide is absolutely 100% the right answer. Because you have all the answers. Trust yourself, trust your gut, trust your instincts. And then do the work to go and achieve them. That's my thought for the day, day 91. I'd love to hear from you. Let me know in the comments down below. What are your goals? What did you set out for 2018? What have you achieved, or what have you decided to change your focus onto? Let me know how it's going in the comments down below, and please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notifications button. And if there's a woman you know who is wanting to achieve her goals this year, and perhaps her confidence is stopping her from taking the action that she needs to take, please share this video with her. It might just be the perspective change that takes her in a new direction. So until tomorrow, have yourself the most amazing day. Wherever you are, show up as your most confident self. Celebrate your uniqueness, even if you are having a bad hair day. Stay awesome.